Hello students, I Kotadia Bharati will take your computer subject class 1. Hope you all are doing well in during this time. You all are learn many new things like new indoor games, art and craft activities, household work and many more. It is not decided that from when school will get start, we will start our online class. Today my first lecture, I tell you story. Do you want to listen a story? Do you guess what is the story name? The Honest Woodcutter. Long ago, there lived a poor woodcutter. Woodcutter means लकड़ियाँ कटने वाला सुनार. He went to the forest every day to cut wood. One day, as he was cutting wood, his axe fell into the river. River means nadi. Oh no! How will I work without an axe? Axe means kuhadi. Cried the woodcutter. All of a sudden, a fairy appeared. अचानक उसको क्या दिखा उसने fairy को. Is this yours? She asked, holding up a silver axe. The woodcutter said, No, it is not mine. Is this yours? The fairy asked, holding up a gold axe. No, said the woodcutter. Is this yours? Asked the fairy, holding up a wooden. Holding means pakadna. Holding up a wooden one. Yes, cried the woodcutter, happy to have his axe back. You spoke the truth. So, take the gold and silver axe too, said the fairy. The woodcutter was very happy. What are you learn from this story? The moral of this story, one must always tell the truth. You the another story. The story name is The Magic Lamp. Long ago, there lived three friends. Do you know what is the name of the three friends? Alif the elephant, the crocodile, and the giraffe. One day, a genie appeared before them. The genie said, I can do whatever you ask me to do. Make a wish and I will make it come true. Each one had something to ask for. Give me a smaller tongue, please. Who said? The elephant said, give me a smaller trunk, please. Giraffe said, I wish I had a smaller neck. And crocodile said, I want long legs like the giraffe. All right, Jenny said, all right. The elephant, the crocodile, and the giraffe got what they wished for. But, oh no, I can't spray water. I can't even eat sugar gum. My long trunk was good. Who say? Elephant say, look at these pictures. The elephant trunk is small. With the use of this small trunk, elephant can't spray water and elephant can't even eat a sugar cane. And I am not able to hide in the water. I can't creep up on my prey. Who said? Crocodile say, I am not able to hide. Why crocodile not hide into the water? Because crocodile wishes, give me long leg, look like a giraffe. That is the reason the crocodile can't hand into the water. Then the giraffe say, oh no, with my neck so small, I can't reach the tall branches. In this picture, you look at the picture of giraffe. The giraffe neck is small. Do you guess? With the use of small neck, giraffe can reach the branch? No. Then after the three friends say to Jenny, help us please. We do not want to be like this. हमको ऐसे बनना नहीं है. Please give us help. The Jenny once again grant their wish. Jenny ने क्या किया? बाद में उसकी wishes finish कर दी. What do you learn? What is the moral? Be content. Means आपको अब भगवान ने जो कुछ भी दिया है उसमें उसको स्वीकार करना है. कभी भी कोई आके आपको ऐसा बोलता है कि give your wishes, then you never speak these things. Okay? Thank you to listen me. Okay, students, are you ready to fun? Are you ready to play games? Then I give you one questions. You all are count these animals. Okay? How many animals can you spot in the pictures? Can you name them? In your notebook, you write it the name of all animals with spellings. Okay, students? Thank you.